What's up guys, AC Evan here with Artist Collective, and in this video I'm going to show you exactly how you submit an application to be an official brand channel for Giphy. This will allow you to create GIFs, animated images, and stickers for social media platforms and more. This will allow you to add those stickers with your branded content into Instagram stories, for instance, or Snapchat, or to be able to send a custom GIF of you and your brand to a friend in your messages or on Facebook. So really simple process, but I want to walk you through exactly how to do it right now. All right, so before you can get started uploading your animated GIFs and stickers to like Instagram stories, you need to be an official brand through Giphy. That is the third party that kind of acts as the aggregator between the brand and the social platforms. So you need to be an official brand. I'm going to show you how to quickly submit an application and do that. If you do not have a Giphy account, it's free. Go ahead and sign up for that. This process allows you to do that as well. So if you are not in an account, definitely jump on that first. So I have the link below on how to get started with this. Apply for an artist channel. So in here, it's going to mention exactly what they want from you. The difference between an artist, because you technically are a music artist. What they mean by artists is usually visual artists, though, like you're creating your own GIFs at a rate different than a music artist probably would. So just keep an eye out for that verbiage because it's a little different. So you see at the top here, if you're a musician or recording artist, please apply for a brand channel. That's what we want to do. Click that, brings you over here. Has some application requirements. Definitely check that out. The main takeaway is as you start creating these GIFs and these stickers, it has to be aligned with the brand that you apply for. I'll repeat that. It has to be from the brand that you applied for. You can't be throwing up your friends' GIFs. If you do that, they will see it and they will take you down and likely ban you. So you want to make sure that it always has your logo or your colors or your branded images in with, even if it's a GIF of like just, it says swipe up, it has to eventually go to your brand. And there'll be another video here soon about how to start creating those. But for now, let's just get that application in because it does take a while. So you're going to click right here. You can apply for a brand channel with a new or an existing account. You'll click that, go over here. The page before this, I believe it will make you upload at least 5 GIFs. You can do that pretty easily. It walks you through how to upload. You can just throw some stuff up there for now just to get you through to this page. I've already done that, so it's taken me to this page first. You're going to want, again, it's going to say artist here. But you see below, it says best for illustrators, videographers, animators, content creators. That's technically kind of you, but what we want for this one is you're a brand, okay? For companies, recording artists, actors, and public figures. You're going to select brand, and it's going to take you through a very simple application form. Be very thorough, though. Your contact name, make sure that email address is right, because if you're approved or denied or they need more information, if that's not right, you'll never hear from them. Select your username. I would stick to the same type of username that is everywhere else on every other platform. Don't make it hard for people to find you. If they really love the GIFs that you're putting up, they can just type in that username and it'll show all of the GIFs that you've updated. Your website, your location, a parent company. So if you're tied to a label or you have a management company, you can put that here too if you want. And all the social platforms you would like. Then you create an avatar. That would be just your simple logo if you want. You see the Artist Collective logo here, and you're just going to check this box and approve all of the community guidelines, which you can click and read through quickly. Then you submit your application. Easy as that. Then you wait. I believe it was a couple weeks on my end, maybe more. And they will let you know if you've been approved or not. I'm going to show you the graphic that I got in my email on this video right here to keep an eye out for. But the process is really, really simple. So go ahead and start that process now. Apply to be a branded channel, and you can start making GIFs just like these and stickers on Instagram and start spreading your brand around. So I hope this was helpful. If you like videos like this, make sure you smash that subscribe button and check me out, AC_Evan and Artist Collect, for other videos and helpful tips for independent musicians.